Your home is so much more important than you think, because a well-designed home can directly impact your lifestyle and your mood. So working with a designer is extremely crucial. We're not only able to curate the best possible version of your home that both looks beautiful and comfortable, but also help you avoid costly delays and mistakes, and most importantly, regrets, because it is a very large investment when you're renovating or building a custom home. At Diana Rose Design, we take pride in creating stunning, unique, and comfortable homes for our clients. I would say there are three main things that set us apart. The first one is that we take interior architecture very seriously. So instead of focusing on the furniture and decor, we first analyze the home and we extract its best features and we highlight them. So it could be a beautiful staircase, a skylight, an open to above space, anything that makes this house the house. And then we highlight it with a lot of elements. So it could be plaster, millwork, paneling, lighting, because that adds a lot of substance to the house. And only then we bring in the furniture, almost like a highlight or an enhancement to the interior architecture. And then we kind of pair it with the right rug and the light fixture and decor and so forth. The second thing is we love color and texture because it creates life and vibrancy and just excitement overall. We don't do boring. We don't do just white homes that everyone else has. So we try to introduce a lot of layering with color and texture and form, and just layer them and layer them and layer them in a way that is just so unique and special, more substantial. The last one I would say is we take comfort seriously as well. Focusing on just aesthetics is one thing. Living in the space should be as comfortable, and it comes down to the ergonomic, the right finishes for the appropriate spaces, whether it's kids friendly or pets or something delicate or not. Things like that should be really taken care of as well.